What's up mga kaakbay? Kumusta kayo? I hope na nasa okay kayong kalagayan. It's Tuesday today and it's already 5 o'clock. So it's time to go home in a little bit. So I am just waiting for the bell to ring, which is an indication that it is already 5 o'clock. Really? Officially. How are you guys? So let's talk about utang guys. Sino sa inyo ang walang utang? Wow, sana all. Sana all walang utang, no? Ako, meron talaga akong mga loans. Meron din akong mga utang. Pero yung utang natin guys, kailangan naman natin bayaran, di ba? Hindi pwedeng sa walang bahala at kakalimutan na lamang kasi 'di ba nung nangangailangan tayo, binigyan nila tayo, kalooban nila tayo, tinulungan nila tayo. So dapat natin isauli ang favor. We have to return the favor, no? Grabe. Yun lang guys. Bye-bye.